Hi, welcome to TMetric Tutorials. Today, we'll focus on everything you need about a timesheet in TMetric and how to use it in your work. Timesheets are used in employer-employee relationships to determine pay, as they provide a clear record of the amount of work completed in a specific period of time. In TMetric, a timesheet represents a data table that is automatically populated. The time tracking data is taken from the time page and is synchronized with it. As a team member, I track my working hours using a timer for a certain period of time. At the end of this period, TMetric generates my timesheet, which needs to be sent to a manager for approval. If I need to make some changes, I can withdraw a submitted timesheet, make changes, and resubmit it. I can do it before my timesheet is approved. As a manager, I can check the Team Timesheets page to view a list of my team members' timesheets for a specific time frame. The clock icon next to a member's name shows whether they have submitted their timesheet for approval or not. I can review and verify the hours and tasks listed on a specific employee's timesheet by clicking their name. Once the timesheet data is checked, I approve the timesheet by clicking the corresponding button. Finally, TMetric enables me to export a timesheet in either CSV or PDF format, which can then be used for reporting or external accounting purposes. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.